how to fix your PS5 overheating issue in 2026. So let's get straight into the video. So the first thing you want to do is check your setup location. You want to place your PS5 in a well-ventilated area, and then you want to keep at least 10 centimeters or 4 inches of space on all sides. Avoid any kind of enclosed space like cabinets. You want to make sure that you dust the blocks, the vents, and the trap heat. And then you want to simply go ahead and turn off and unplug your PS5 for some time. Use a vacuum or compressed air to clean all the vents and clean the dust from the base and surrounding area. If your PS5 is still overheating, you want to clean the internal fan, and you want to also go ahead and reattach the plate securely. If that is not the case, you want to check if there are any system software updates and simply go ahead and do so, or try to rebuild your database. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.